Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to cancel your LA Fitness membership using your phone. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So the first step is to open the LA Fitness app, launch the LA Fitness app on your mobile device. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store or Google Play. The following step is to sign in into your account, enter your login credentials to access your account. If you forgot your password, use the recovery option. The third step is to navigate to membership settings, look for the account or membership section in the app menu. This is usually found in your profile or settings area. The second last step is to select cancel membership, find the option to cancel membership, follow the prompts provided to initiate the cancellation process. The last step is to confirm cancellation, review any cancellation terms and confirm your decision. Make sure to save any confirmation emails or messages for your records. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your LA Fitness membership using your phone. So yeah guys, that's all it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.